Okay, here we go, out into the blizzard. The banks upstairs are about 4 feet against the house, so this is the only door that we can use to exit. As you can see, Rob has already cut me a path down to the barn so I can feed the horses. And the only reason this was possible was because he was out here for 2 hours yesterday from like 3:30 to 5:30 and then came out again at 10. You can see the depth of the snow here. And if you go up onto the deck, the wind has drifted it 4 feet high against the house. And so we're just waiting for the moment. You can see we've got one post on this deck that's leaning. And I'm just waiting for the moment when it comes crashing down. So don't be surprised if that's the next image you see from me. Here's our tree, completely laden with snow. And I'm doing my best not to fall here. I fell 3 times coming out to feed the horses last night. Here we are. They're going to be happy to see me. We're a little late for breakfast because we had to deal with all this. And the snow is still coming down. There's the ring of the driveway. Top pasture. That's a 3-rail split rail fence. You can see 1.5 rails on it. Got some steps here. Whoa. All right, I'm down. And here we go to the barn. Look at this. That's taller than I am. We're looking up at this. Ready for a greeting. Hi, guys. Hello. Who's hungry? Hi, Piper. There's Calvin. Sorry we're a little late. Hi, Cash. Are you hungry? You are. Hey, Ripper. Charles. Hi, Charles. Take a look out the back here. Woo! The manure pile is completely missing. And this, oh, it's waist high. Can you see this? Look at that. There's the tack room. Can't even see the handle on the door. There's the dump cart. You just see the corner of it. Yeah, horses aren't going to go out today. All right. Well, I'm not even going to try and keep this door open because there's no way I can latch it. All right. Let's take one final look out the front. Whoa. Wow. It's out of control. Nobody needs this. I don't know what we did to deserve this, but it's just not right. All right. And that's it. Blizzard 2013.